Welcome to the King Boy channel. Today here we are here to break down my 6.0 LS motor. I noticed something a little different right here. It's actually I haven't did this in a very long time as far as like engine rebuild and stuff right here. So it's time. I've been getting all my parts together and it's time to start tearing down my motor. So as you know, I bought a Escalade about a year ago, and it had an LQ9 6.0 high compression 6.0, and I was planning on rebuilding that and using it for my Trans Am. So I got the motor out of the Escalade. I got it on the engine stand now. I've been busy lately because I've been having a lot of stuff I needed to accomplish. Basically ordering parts for the F body. Got my little dog here too. He's wanna. But anyway, yeah, I got a lot of stuff I need to do to it, and so we're gonna show y'all tearing down this engine and see what kind of condition it is, because I really don't know what kind of condition it is. From what I was told, it was running when I bought the Escalade, but I never had a chance to hear it run, so I'm gonna know for now if it's any good or not. So it's time to tear it down, so let's get to it. Alright, y'all check this out right here. Throwing the motor down, if you come up the front, you may not be able to notice. I had to put all the truck accessories off, as I know, the truck accessories are a little bit different, and so I had to remove all that right there. The next step we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull the heads off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling the heads off. Like I said, this is another thing. In my personal opinion, I feel like the best LS motor they make is the LS3 Gen 4 out of the 6.2 Camaro. Those are the best LS motors. But I think, to be the second best LS, I think the second best LS is the LQ9, like with this right here. Gen 3 motor. Cleaning accessory, cathedral heads. The LY6 motors are stronger, but like I know the LY6 motors, they have the DOD and all that in it. I honestly feel like when people talk about the best LS motors, that's always the LS3, this motor right here, and probably the LS157. Those are like some of your best motors right there. But let's go ahead and get started. Right now we're gonna start pulling the heads out. So hey, let's get to it. Real clean. Ain't no, they think that's what I like to see right there. If you get up a little closer, it is really good. I mean, very clean. You can definitely tell they've been changing all the oil. It's real nice. Heck yeah. Yeah, it looks real nice. We got press on it, it won't come out. So these down here, they trash. Remember now, do not, if I run an aftermarket can sale, throw these away. These are not going, they don't, first of all, these little bearings, they bad about breaking off. These are really like one-time use. I ain't gonna say one-time use, but if you run a factory can sale, you can probably use these. But me personally, I like to run BTR, valve spring, well not valve spring, push rods, throw these away. These not worth keeping. You gotta change these anyway. y'all see right here, tearing down the heads. As y'all see, coming along pretty good. We're ready to pull the heads off. Let's get to it. We're about to pull the heads out. Let's see what we're looking at. How the cylinders look. Got to take that off. Voila! 317 heads. Now, one thing about the 317 heads, if you didn't know, 317 heads actually have the largest valves, larger than 243. But the problem with the 317 heads is they got the largest cylinder chamber, so you don't have a lot of compression. That's why when you put 317 heads on any motor, you're gonna lose power, because it's not necessarily a flow that gives you power too, it's compression. And since it's got the biggest chamber, that's actually probably lower the compression. Now, I had a theory that if I would have took this head and had a machine down and shorten this chamber down some, I bet these heads probably flow better than 243. Even though they got bigger valves and everything, I think this would have been a better option if I would have had it neck down. Not really for sure. I don't know the scientific. Maybe in the 243 they may have, like, I don't know, maybe the way the ports are made, maybe living different angles or something. But I believe 317 heads will outflow a 243 if you neck them down. Not really for sure, but I believe it's a possibility. Looks very good, actually. They're going to flush the coolant out, but cylinder wall look real good too. Got a lot of cross hatching. No play. Yeah. I'm gonna say them motors took a pretty damn good care of right here. I mean, this motor look good. The cylinder walls are fresh. This motor didn't have a lot of miles on it too, probably. It's got a lot of carbon bit up, but damn, this motor right here is in really good shape. Actually, pretty happy about that. Yep. Sitting cross hatching good, really good shape. Update on the motor right here. Y'all look at it right here. It's actually in pretty decent condition. Not really I don't know if you like it, so no surface rust, no piston scratches, nothing. And the motor is actually in really dang good shape, actually. I drained the oil a while ago. No metal in the oil, no water in the oil. That's what I was really worried about. It's gonna have water since it's been sitting up, in the Escalade for a while. But like you see right here, piston walls, everything looks, you're gonna have a little carbon bit up, but everything looks pretty good, actually. It's real good. That right there, some stuff's probably came in from like leads and stuff. Which I'm probably gonna rehome the block out just to. I feel a little bit. Yeah, probably gonna rehome the block out. Other than that, everything looks pretty good. No major scratches. Rear main seal leak I see on the back, but that's typical Chevrolet. They come from the factory pretty much for leaking oil. It seems like I ain't never see one without the rear main seal leaking. So yeah, 6.0 looks pretty good. We're gonna finish breaking down. I'm gonna pour this harmonic balance off, or you got crankshaft pull it, whatever, and see how the inside look like, see how the cam and all that look like. Y'all see it right here. I guess I should have actually been recording when I got this off, but the crank bolt, crank pulley bolt, that thing was on. Like it sounded like a gunshot when it finally broke loose. It was tight. Like I got a Milwaukee right here, 1/2 inch now, and it wasn't even budging it. Maybe because I had a regular battery. If I probably put the bigger battery on it, it probably would have gave it a little more juice, but it was not budging. We had to take a breaker bar and this lone cheater bar that we found to get this thing off. But we finally got it off. So it's time to finish disassembling it.